Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'd like to show you around a car that's just arrived with us in stock. This is a very nice SEAT Tarraco 1.5 TSI SE technology finished in metallic black. Now this is the biggest SUV that we offer in our range and actually has the benefit of 7 seats with 2 of them folding down in the boot. Now, being an SE technology, you have this lovely big pop-up colour navigation screen. You also have dual zone climate control. You have a 6-speed manual gearbox with push button start, electronic handbrake and hill assist. You also have different driving modes, and this one is finished with a grey and black cloth interior. Moving to the rear, the second row of seats, they slide backwards and forwards, so if you are carrying people in the very back on the third row, you can adjust the second row of seats to make life more comfortable for them. All 5 of these rear seats have the option of folding down, so if you're carrying larger objects, it will give you a flush floor. And if I just lift this lever up here, you can see that it actually then slides forward to give you easier access. So, quite a versatile vehicle. The other benefit is when you come to the back, you have rear parking sensors with a park display. Even with the third row of seats up, you still have a small area of boot with somewhere to put the parcel shelf. And if you decide to fold the seats forward, you just pull this little tab, drop the seat down, and away you go. You can do that on both sides, and then you have a flat entrance into the boot floor. Now these vehicles seem very popular, and a lot of these get a very hard amount of use. This particular car is certainly not in that category. This one has only covered 21,800 miles and has been well serviced throughout. And hopefully this video gives you a good idea and a good description of how good the condition of this car is. All the seats are unmarked without any smells. There's no view of any animals or anything being in the car. And then when you come up top, you've got a lovely driving position with a height and reach adjustable steering wheel. Say different driving modes down there. That's that dial button on the right hand side. The ability to run Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Cruise control, that's a standard feature, as well as lane departure assist. Automatic LED headlights. Now this time of year these are invaluable because we're driving everywhere pretty much when it's dark, and these are absolutely brilliant. And that's the car. Hopefully you like that. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.